Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today it's all about the Inphic keyboard. I've been using this kind of bad boy for a while. Now it's almost like 1.5 years since I have this kind of keyboard, and since I switched myself to mechanical keyboards, I said I'll never go back to any kind of keyboard. I fell in love with the mechanical keyboard, and that's another story for another day. Okay, there we go. So this is the Inphic keyboard, and this one it's a K87 keyboard from Inphic, and we're gonna be unboxing this kind of bad boy. Check it out, see what's packed inside and what's so good about it. And you know what I mean? Is it blue switch? Is it red switch? Is it those kind of switches? You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Hey, as you can spot it, this is how it is inside. Your first thing first, you're getting the paperwork. Paperwork is really important to read, and you can actually download an application so as you can control your keyboard, and you can see the link of the driver. Getting switches here, like there's a brown switch, and they're all brown switch. There's no mix of switches. Just know that the keyboard is brown switch, and there is a switch remover throughout your keyboard. And you're getting a USB Type-C cable here, which is really great. Now this kind of keyboard feels really great. The keys are brown switch. Just know that. You can hear the clicking compare to how my older keyboard it is. This feels blue switch. You can spot it. There's a difference between clicking. This is a blue switch. This switch I changed it. This is no blue switch, so this feels good. You can spot the difference there throughout the clicking. So as you can understand that there's a brown switch keyboard throughout the switches, and there's even a blue switch. Blue switch makes a lot of noise. Brown switch makes noise, but it's a little bit tapping, like really good. So you can spot it throughout here. Underneath the keycaps, there's the numbers. The artwork on top is looking really great, but the numbers they're inside. So whenever you keep it on your table, you just see them that they're there, which is really good. And you're having this side of caps and escape and many more. And at the back, this is how it looks like. Really nice design at the back of the keyboard. Looks really good. On this side, you're having a wow. This is really good. So the port of dongle, it's just somewhere here, which is great. And there's a button here for USB and the USB-C kind of button. I mean the button for USB or Bluetooth, depending on what you want. And there's a button for Windows and Mac. So if you're using Mac, you switch to Mac. You're using Windows, switch to Windows. So as the keyboard can perform really well. And you can spot it there, it has some RGB on the keyboard. So guys, we're inside the dashboard application throughout Inphic. As you can see, you're having everything you can customize depending on what you really want. So you're having the section whereby there's lightning here. You can control what type of lightning you want. Let's say you want something like this, you just click on it or go through here depending on what you want and tap on save, and it will just do the thing. You can spot it right now. The RGB does the it's called retro snake. And if you want something like rainbow wheel or raindrops or flashy flash away, I believe it's just that when you're tapping it, it does the thing, which is really cool. And you can control between the speed. So let's say you want speed to be much, or you want the brightness to be a little bit lower. It depends with you what you really need. So when you tap something like this, you can spot the whole colors just pop up and stuff like that, which is really great. So when you're done, just save it. I kind of like the way you just do the thing instead of the lightning all over the place. And another kind of stuff, it has audio dance soft. Now I don't know why, but it seems like, okay, this is something new. Let's play some music here. Oh, you can spot it, the rhythm. It's called the audio dance. It actually dances with the audio. So you can customize any type of audio you want. Let's say cloud rise, snow, it does that. Or you want something like grudge, gargling stream, or blooming passion, it does that. Or pearl fed. Look, that's dope. That's dope. That's really cool. Whoa. And the bass, when the bass goes up, it does the thing. There's even clouds follow the moon, which is really nice too. Just spot it. Whoa. There's even mountain and flow. Check this out. and raining like silk regular. That I don't know what it does, but I believe when it kicks, let's play again. Whoa, have you spotted? Nice. It goes this way. But I think I like the dazzling. This dazzling looks good. This feels really good. So guys, should you consider buying the K87 keyboard from Inphic? Well, the answer is probably 100% yes. You should get this keyboard. This keyboard is really good. It has bunch of features. You can customize, you can do this, you can do that. The specification or the functionality are just endless. You can just get creative on how you want the keyboard to do you a great job throughout your productivity, throughout your gaming, throughout this and that. You know what I mean? It's such an amazing kind of keyboard, to be honest, to be using it. And throughout here, you can spot how this kind of keyboard it is. In terms of switches, this kind of switch, the brown switch, I can't complain at all. The switches, they're really good, and they give it a really nice tap throughout here, and you just groove throughout using this kind of keyboard. Such an amazing keyboard from Inphic K87, and it's worth it your money 100%. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Will you be able to just grab this kind of bad boy, or you're like, you know what I mean, I'm sticking with my keyboard, the one which I use, which is okay, but try mechanical keyboard, you might fall in love with it a lot. So yeah, last but not least, you're new here, consider subbing to the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.